In this lesson, create a material takeoff schedule from Rebar we placed in last lesson. In last lesson, we assemble a foam system, placed rebar inside the foam of mat foundation, and pour the concrete using a boom concrete pump car. To extract the rebar schedule from this project, go to the top menu and click View, Schedule drop-down, Schedule Quantities. In this dialog, select the category from the category list, and the schedule with the category would be created. The rebar placed in last lesson was not rebar but area reinforcement, so select the category Place Structure Area Reinforcement from this category list. Then check if the schedule building component is selected. Then click OK for the next work. After selecting a category, next to do is setting the schedule properties. Take a closer look to field. In Revit, field is the classifying system to conclude which data or parameter from the families of chosen category should be injected to the schedule. So, by choosing a field, specified data would be injected to the schedule. Of course, after the schedule is created, this data can be modified whenever. Thus, when choosing an available field for the schedule, no need for concluding every decision. In addition, if it's the first time to create a schedule, it is important to insert all of available fields to the schedule to figure out what each data means and what are irreplaceable data in this schedule. So, let's put all data on this schedule. Field having property of type or quantity should be includes. Finish on determining what fields should be entered in the schedule and click OK to create the schedule. So, structure area reinforcement placing schedule is created. Now check the data from the schedule. It should be inspected on how to extract data, family, type, bottom interior major bar information, bottom interior minor bar information, volume of entire reinforcement, and so on. During scoping on schedule, check the top superior data and useless subordinate data. After checking on the schedule, modify fields to remove useless data from the schedule. Go to the Property tab on left for Field tab, click Edit and the Schedule Property dialog would show up. Remove useless field from the schedule. After that, to modify the arrangement of parameter on some of fields, move the parameter up or down. So, after modification on the schedule, click OK for setting on fields. Detail works like sorting and grouping field would be discussed on the lesson footing schedule. Create schedule can be verified and modified in any time on project browser. Now it's time to insert the schedule in a sheet. Go to the project browser, right-click the sheet branch, and click New Sheet to create a new one. Insert a schedule you want by dragging it and dropping on the sheet. After the insert, it is possible to modify on the size of the schedule and the location of the schedule on this sheet.